Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glen's Adventure. Happy Saturday. We are on 45653 Highway 27 in Davenport, Florida, and we are at a new restaurant that just opened, Margarita's Cucina Mexicana. This used to be a beef O'Brady's that we used to go to all the time, so we're excited to see it. Here is the menu. We can look at it also inside. The reviews are wonderful. Here are the hours. They have some nice outside seating. But we're going to be going inside because in Florida today it is 97 degrees. Okay, we are ready to go in.
Bienvenidos.
Ooh, this is pretty. Okay.
Table for two.
Yes, please.
Welcome to Margarita's.
Thank you.
That's crazy that you just like started working on it.
You can follow me.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. I'll be right with you.
When it was beef O'Brady's, they had all of the different. Hi. They had all of the different big TVs set up here. Oh, they put more seating in over here. They used to have little coin machines that you could get ducks and play games with over here. No, thank you. Okay, they did everything over really nice. So this is the menu. For the table, there's nachos, corn dip, queso dip, margarita bowls, shrimp, plates, quesadillas.
Margaritas, two waters, some chips and salsa. And if you guys want to start off with a guac or a queso dip, you just let me know.
Thank you.
I'll be back shortly.
That was ARIANA. They are still on a soft opening. Glen's looking at the menu. We both ordered 2 margaritas, no salt. Traditional.
Appreciate it. Of course, my pleasure. You guys have anything in mind?
Comes out water. Oh, I know. Can you tell us what's the difference between the corn dip and the quesadilla dip?
Yes, so our queso dip is just a white cheddar melted. The queso bean dip is a mixture of our beans and queso together, which is really good. And then the corn dip has corn, cheese, chorizo, tomatoes. It's actually really good dip, really cheesy and creamy. And they're all served with tortilla chips.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys want to start off with the corn? It's actually probably one of our best dips.
I think so. Yes,
Yeah,
please.
they're really good. I'll be back with those margaritas, your corn dip, and some chips and salsa.
Alrighty. Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Thank you. There's Glen.
fish chips being dropped.
Okay.
Here's something to start off with.
Thank you.
This is our red salsa. It's mild, homemade, and then our green salsa verde, which is a little bit spicier.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Chicken enchiladas.
Oh, margaritas just came.
And then what kind of meat do you want on your nachos?
I'm gonna wait on the nachos.
No, oh, that's
okay.
fine. Yeah. All right, give me a
What is chinga chicken?
Chinga chicken is our marinated pulled chicken, and it's not spicy. Al pastor is going to be our marinated pork, and our carne asada is going to be our grilled seasoned steak.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And then there's ground beef. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you.
You want to keep that just in case?
Yes, please.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So we did both get the margarita. It's Dos Ocho Silva Tequila, Contuic fresh lime, served in a salted rim. Also available mango, blackberry, or pomegranate. Specials: Marga Mondays. You can get a margarita, $7.99. Happy hour all day, every day, 2 for 1, single pour, single mixer, house wines, house draft beer. And on the patio in bar only, happy hour 3 to 6. Wines are 2 for 1, half off a bottle. 2 for 1 draft beer. Spirits, 2 for 1, single pour.
Chicken.
Our corn dip just got here. It looks yummy. So in the corn dip, we have topped with mozzarella cheese, bluzzo, which is sausage, and bell pepper. Glen's enchiladas just got here. That looks beautiful.
Have some.
I will. Wow, that looks really good. So let's see what the enchiladas. Enchiladas, mixed cheese, green onions, tomatoes, sour cream, and homemade enchilada sauce. You can get it with either tinga chicken, which she said was shredded chicken, carne asada. Those are the beans. Al pastor, ground beef, and beans. Looks really good. So everything here was excellent. We got great enchiladas. We polished off 2. This is what we have for the corn dip and the chip. So we'll take that home. And now I'm going to do the happy hour 2 for 1, single pour. And we'll go home. Then work on some more YouTube. We are just leaving Margarita's, 27 Davenport, Florida. We had the best meal with our server Aria. She used to be at Ovations, and that is their sister property. So if you're ever on this area here, go to either Margarita's or Ovation, and that's barbecue, and it's wonderful. It is a family-owned business. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.